So, bumili tayo ng mga lalagyan and we're going to open. So, this is from SM. So, let's check. So, kailangan natin ng mga bagong lalagyan. So, these are the organizers that we got for our new ref. So, let me just arrange them. Kasi, to save space, pinatong-patong siya. We have a total of 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 18. 18 sets ni new containers. So, since I have a new ref, I will be upgrading my containers. So, I still love, this is the one that I shared before. Gusto ko siya. Kaso, since I have a bigger fridge, I want na i-organize yung mga vegetables ko using ganito. And I will still be able to clearly see kung ano yung mga nasa loob ng containers. This is from the parang bathroom section. And what I want is, since white yung ref ko, this will be parang contrast. And since I have lots of bottles, I will share it here sa video. Ang dami kong kimchi, mga different bottles. I want to have something na container or basket that will hide the parang gulo sa loob ng ref. That's why this is perfect. Open at meron siyang height. So, we got 3 of this. This is by Hosh. So, BPA free at nakalagay dyan, food safe, microwave safe, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe. So, this cost 79. Yung isa nito ay 79 pesos. So, we have 8 nito. So, hindi ko nakalagay kung ilang ml. But this is enough. As I've mentioned before, it is best to use smaller na containers. Meat products is per meal, hindi yung bultuhan. Para makita yung size. All of this, itong mga big containers ay from Hosh. Ang maganda din ay meron siyang extras parang plastic dito so that it will be easier for you to lift the lid. Hindi siya yung mabilis mabasag kasi medyo flexible. Yan. This is 89. So ito, 89 pesos each. Yung isa ay 79. So, kunti lang yung difference. Magdedepende lang naman talaga sa need mo. So, this is my 79 pesos. This is my 89 pesos. So, ito naman dun sa malalaki na meat, like fish, buong fish, meat na malalaki na hindi ko kailangan siya lutuin agad-agad. But, again, I highly recommend that you use yung mga maliliit for easy na mag-defrost. So, ito yung pinakamalaki natin. This is also by Hosh. And this is 109 pesos. At same yung design. Meron siya dito easy open na part ng lid. And look at the difference. Halos magkasing height sila nung pangalawa. But this is the smallest one. Actually, this is more than enough yung size niya for me. Kasi, paghihiwa-hiwalayin natin. That's the second one. At ito yung large one. So, I highly recommend these containers. Yan. Though madami na akong containers na ganito, I also shared several containers sa videos. And meron din ako manakuha dati sa Uratex if you've seen my videos. Kaso lahat yun opaque. So, ito, perfect dun sa freezer. It'll be easier for me to identify kung sa ano yung laman. So, ito naman, this cost 169 each. Ito, madami kasi akong bottles. Mga random na seasoning na kailangang i-ref. Ganda siya kasi ang container niya, ilalagay mo lang siya sa loob and it will conceal yung random and uniform bottles. So, yun yung mga target natin. Yun yung mga adult goals natin. So, I am very excited sa ref kasi it will be another organization na gusto natin gawin. So, yan ang ating containers. Yan. I love it. 20 minutes na lang before mag-end ang ating prep, initial prep ng ating fridge. So, we're going to transfer na yung mga pwede i-transfer dito sa container na vegetables, calamansi, etc. while we're waiting to maximize our time. But I had a problem with removing this. So, natry ko yung blower, but these are too much para i-blower ko. Isa-isa. Tatanggal na lang yan eventually. So, that's the only problem that I have with this. Hi! Welcome back. So, around 20 minutes remaining time before mag-end yung initial na prep ng ref. So, ang init niya dito since naka-maximum siya, both yung taas at yung baba. So, we're going to prep. Ay, hindi pa natin bubuksan. Muntik ko nang buksan. So, we will transfer yung mga food dun sa containers. Ito yung mga ita-transfer natin sa freezer. As you can see here, I've been doing yung freezing kasi mabilis mabulok. So, I'm happy na we already have a bigger freezer that can accommodate yung mga ganito na ita-freeze natin. Meron ako dito saba, meron ako dito bell peppers. So, these are the things that we will remove. So, here, ito ita-transfer natin to dun sa containers. Yan. Yan. So, let's start. So, ganito ang nangyayari kasi we don't have space. So, fishball, Korean. Dito natin ito tinatago para hindi nasira. We also have the scallop. So, lilipat natin ito. And then we also have the crab stick. So, since tuyo lang naman yan, i-keep lang natin sa plastic. Kasi, nangangamoy siya. So, ganito muna. Anyway, ipe-prep na natin to bukas. As you can see, nag-degrade yung quality niya. But now, it will change. So, yan. Ganito muna ang gawin natin since we don't have freezer tray. So, kinat ko siya so that we will be able to keep them. Ta-da! Ito na lang muna yung sa vegetables. The eggplant. And squash. Ganito yung mas gusto kong gawin. Nakahiwa-hiwalay. As you can see, frozen na frozen siya. So, maganda siya itago. We will just keep this na naka-open setup ng freezer. And then later, we will transfer it sa container na ganito. Same with this, ililipat ko din hanggang na mag-freeze. And then, ita-transfer ulit natin. So, here, ginamit natin yung pinakamalaking container to keep yung mga individually packed na kailangan i-freezer. So, it will be more organized. So, tatakpan lang natin. And then, yung aking fish cake, tanggal na natin siya sa container. Kasi half Koreano tayo. So, we love our Korean products. So, dito siya. So, let's meet. And so, for now, since naka-pre-organized na siya before, pagsama-sama muna natin. Kasi nga, next month na lang tayo mag-organized. So, yan. Ito yung mga dati, dyan muna natin kasi frozen pa sila. So, mahirap na tanggalin. So, ito muna gagamitin natin. Lalagay muna natin sila dyan. Wait, there's more. The remaining beef. And yung atay. So, kasya pa siya dyan. And then, let's see muna. So, we will be using the other part. So, ito na lang muna sila. Para lahat ng left side. Ito, bababa yan dito. So, pagsasama-sama natin. we have our fish. Yan, so we're trying to organize. So, meron pa naman siya dito space. But for now, dito muna sila. Lahat ng fish. This one, since hindi pa naman siya bukas, okay lang na ilagay natin siya dito. Or dito naman sa gas. Yan, yung ating tuyo. Okay, perfect. May space pa. This is shrimp and chicken. So, let's check if it will fit here. Ah, perfect! To fit. So, these are shrimp. So, ito yung shinare ko before sa Shopee. So, this is very nice. Aside from the container that I just recently bought, I also want this. So, this is my etag. May tira pa. So, I use this tray. Hindi ko alam kung saan pa nilalagay. So, dito muna siya. This is my homemade na pickles. We have here chocolates from my brother. So, dark chocolate. So, dito muna siya. Mangga. Another mangga. So, kailangan natin siya dito ilagay. We also have here this, the chocolate. So, mga malinis na to. All I have to do is to transfer. So, pahiga si chocolates. Or chocolate na chocolate. Meron din tayo ganito. One ng ganitong tray is to somehow conceal. Make sure na yung mga available natin na this is a combination of butter na ginagamit for cooking and butter na lurpak for bread. So, mix natin dyan. Hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos. Meron ba tayong mayonnaise? Ewan ko bakit dalawa yung bukas. We have the Japanese mayo. At meron ba pala tayong Pure Foods na, is this Best Foods na mayo? So, dalawa. This is my homemade cheese pimiento. So, may bread tayo and then we have random na palaman. I'm half Korean. So, we have our jang, samjang, gochujang, and this is the fermented bean. This is the red bean, or, no, miso. Oh, at meron din tayong ganito, if in case we will be needing wasabi. Jams, bagoong, may bagoong, another strawberry jam, we have hoisin, chili garlic, we have our salad dressing, Kewpie, recommended by Irene, Dijon mustard, blueberry jam. So, dito na lang muna sila. So, yan, olives. This is how it looks like. We're going to open. So, ang dami pa yung space niya sa taas. At yun, gumawa tayo ng gyoza kagabi. So, mamaya i-wrap natin yan. Leftover na foods yung mga nasa white na lalagyan. And this is for lechong kawali. Our bread. Egg dito natin ilalagay. Yung cheese, dyan muna siya temporary. Kasi pag hindi siya nakasealed siya, dapat para hindi tumigas. Dito ka nilagay yung and hammer. So, we have extra space here. Tapos dito yung tubig. So, hindi pa natin nire-refill yung water. So, dito yung milk, yung ating mga tostitos, and queso de bola. So, we still have space here. So, dito naman, we have our homemade pickles. I have a recipe for this. The kimchi, lahat ng mga bottles natin, from chili garlic to Japanese mayo. Ito yung mga bukas na naka-pouch, kaya nandito sila. So, opened na yan or used na, kaya may mga tira pa. So, these are alamang, sesame seeds. So, I love these containers. Atsara sa likod. So, ang dami nating mga bottles for seasoning. So, andun sa likod yung ating. So, it's easy access. If kailangan mo, I can just pull this one out. So, nandun yung ating mga Korean sauces. Yan. And here, mga vegetables. So, nandito yung ating tin. Extra, lagi ko may ganito just in case. We have here our calamansi na nilagyan ko lang ng paper sa likod. We have our greens, ampalaya. Yan. So, organized na siya. So, since nilagay natin dito sa container, it consumed more space than dun sa old ref. So, dyan yung mga calamansi. As I mentioned, may easy access siya na ganito. And we have the carrot. So, tinanggal na natin sila sa mga plastic. Nilagay natin dyan. And here's other side. Yung mangga hindi na natin tinanggal sa papel. We have here the beans. So, lahat ng vegetables ay individually placed sa kanilang mga containers. So, we have here the sili. Ganyan ko siya nilagay with paper sa ilalim to absorb moisture. And nandun yung ating kamatis. Bubod, luya. And then sa ilalim nandun yung mga greens. Set siya for vegetables. For the freezer, ito yung ating laman. So, ito may ref na. So, let's check. Ay, may yellow na. Later, I will try to figure out paano to gumana kasi hindi bumababa yung yellow. And here's our etag. So, dito lang siya temporary kasi wala tayong space. And here is yung mga Freenis dry natin. So, very beautiful. So, we will be able to save yung mga ganito. So, see? Yung mga talong, bell peppers. So, mamaya, pag medyo may time na tayo, so frozen na yan lahat, ililipat natin. And dyan muna siya. So, ito yung laman ng ating ng freezer natin sa kabila. So, lahat ng mga pork, may pusit, nandito yung shrimp. So, nandito yung ating santol. So, dyan. So, ang laki niya, ang ilan to na ganito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tas sa kabila. Sa ilalim yung mga liempo. So, may tatlo tayo. So, malaki. If you can see. Ayan. And, dito naman, ito, lumpiang toge. Freenis na natin kasi di pa naman natin kakainin. 2 tab. At yung fish and yung liver kahapon. So, frozen na sila at organized na dyan. So, for now, ito muna gagamitin natin kasi ginamit na natin lahat ng nabili natin sa SM. So, here naman, ito, yung mga frozen na produce. Nandito yung eggplant. Ayan. Kaysa sa mabulok, ganyan na lang muna. Unless gagamitin natin agad-agad. So, dito natin ilalagay lahat ng mga frozen products. Ayan. Nandyan yung tuyo, lahat ng kahapon, pati yung siomai nilagay na natin. Tapos yung fish cake, tinanggal ko na sa plastic. So, ito sa mga food, ito frozen. Ito yung mga kikiam, etc. siomai. Nandito yung mga meat and fish products. Here we can fit an entire cake na regular size ni Karamiya and large pizza and a Coke soft drink.